Hi everyone, welcome. I just tried to do a bloom, or I just tried to do a simplistic bloom, and it did not work out for me, so I'm going to try again. Okay, the colors I'm using today are golden. It's a medium yellow, and I don't know how to say that word, so I'm not even going to try. I've got this little piggy, Aphrodite, this little piggy, Agapanthus, Golden Open, Quinacridone, Nickel Azo Gold. I've got Pebeo, Iridescent Violet Blue. The cell activators are Rich Gold by Atelier, and White, Winsor Newton. So, just going to add some more paint to this. This is just a wooden canvas that I'm using. I'll show you the consistency. It's very thick, my paints, so I'm not sure if it'll work. It didn't work last time. I tried to use my little mini blower and I couldn't get it to work. So I'm going to try with my breath this time, and I had too much paint on, so I'm going to try and go a little bit less paint than I did before. Okay. Alright, so what should I start with? Start with yellow. And then Agapanthus. Then my violet blue. And Aphrodite. And then the Azo Gold last. Oops. Okay. Change the camera angle. I need to blow. Okay. See if I can do this. Looks kind of funny. Looks a little bit funny. Okay. What should I do? Okay, so looks pretty weird. I need to modify it. First of all, I need to get rid of this yellow. I'm going to try and blow that over. I'm not sure if I can, but it's a weird looking flower. Okay. Well, I'm going to try and do some modifying, and if it doesn't look any good, I will I will scrape it. I don't think that this is going to stay. As soon as I spin it, it's going to go off. So but I'm going to play around with it and see if I can get it to look any good. Give it a spin. Looks kind of cool. I wonder if I can get it to dry without spinning it anymore. Getting the sides, trying to get the sides done. I think it's kind of cool actually. Now that I modified it, I like it better. Now, paint's very thick on here, so I'm not really sure how this is going to go. I shouldn't have done that. It's very thick. I'm going to have trouble. It's going to take a long time to dry. I'm going to give it a go though. I don't want to spin it anymore at all. So kind of pretty. Okay. Gonna let it dry, and I will show you at the end of the video if it worked out, if it's dry. If it dries well, I hope so. Fingers crossed. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Aphrodite, right here, looks really cool. It's really sparkly, really sparkly. See right there where the light is? Very pretty. That's what I think. Okay. Hi, I'm back with the dried result. Dried okay. I was worried about this one. You can tell it might be a little bit thick in the middle, but once I get resin on this, I think it'll be fine. Yeah, dried okay. I wasn't worried for nothing. I think it looks pretty. I like it. I like the colors. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye for now.